If you haven't visited the FAA.gov website in a while, it's time for a return visit. The agency has developed a whole library of FAA drone resources for drone pilots new and old, and it's easier to find things, too. All pro drone pilots have a responsibility to let new pilots and drone owners know that aviation rules include them. The FAA is the ultimate resource, after all, they're responsible for the airspace. Now, the FAA resources for drones are easy to find, and much easier to understand for every type of pilot. Where to start? Just go to FAA.gov and hit the Drones tab on the right. Then hit the red We Can Help You button to go right to this Getting Started that starts at the beginning, helping pilots figure out what type of drone pilot they are, recreational or commercial, and what rules apply to them. New recreational pilots can learn the rules, register their drone, take the free trust test, and download their certificate. It's clear, it's easy, and it welcomes new pilots into the aviation community. At DroneLife, we're often asked by recreational pilots how they can make some money with their drone. That same Getting Started page is perfect to answer the question. It explains the process of becoming a remote pilot step by step, and along the way, there are articles and resources for all of the variations of existing aircraft pilots, public safety users, educational users, and more. The FAA also offers many of these resources, including the Getting Started page in Spanish. FAA Drone Zone. FAA Drone Zone is the official site for managing drone services, including drone registration. If a pilot plans to fly for any reason other than recreation, they need to set up a business account on the FAA Drone Zone, registering drones and pilots. Scroll down the Getting Started page for instructions. From the Drone Zone, pilots can download the B4UFLY app, register drones, apply for airspace authorizations, and much more. FAA drone resources on YouTube, Twitter, and the UAS Hot Topics page. Once you've covered the basics, there are a lot of great resources available on the FAA's YouTube page. Not all of them are specific to drone pilots, but check out the Playlists tab to find short videos like the Drone Safety, New York and the Drone Webinars series. Subscribe to the FAA on Twitter, at FAA News, at FAA Drone Zone, for up-to-the-minute news in aviation and some humor. Finally, if you've heard about new rules, apps, or issues and would like more information, go to the UAS Hot Topics page. It's not perfect, but it's a great place to start to see what the FAA has already published on individual topics like LAANC, B4UFLY, the Blows Arc, and more. And be sure to subscribe to the FAA's email list to keep on top of new developments.